So you've been following this channel, you know that we've been trying to refresh our Model 3 cabin. So these are upgraded seats. These are ultra white seats from Taptez, Napa vegan leather. We upgraded our center console to all white caps as well as our dash. Now it looks OEM, just like a white interior Tesla. However, we noticed that this charging station looks outdated. So if you're not aware, if you purchase a used Tesla 3 or Y, for the 2018 to 2019, there was no wireless charging. You actually had to install a plug that you slide your phone on top. Most of the time, you would damage the bottom part where your charge port is at because you're trying to find that slot. Then Tesla came out with a wireless charging pad for the Model 3 and Y in 2020. Then in 2021, or end of 2020, they actually changed this whole center console to be a Alcantara, so you can't actually switch out the charging pad anymore. And it's a completely redesignation and your cabin. But this, you open up and it's magnetized. Okay? So what we're gonna do is switch this out to something more modernized. And we found this charging pad that actually serves as a memory card as well for your Sentry mode and your dash cam. So 2-in-1. And this is from JOWUA. This company actually makes phone mounts as well as other accessories like cup holders, storage. But just check this out. This is absolutely gorgeous. The material that they use is high quality. Even the boxing, you can tell, is Apple-like and totally worth it. And I'll post a link where you can find this. And sometimes they give a promo code where you can get like $5 off. So I'll post information on that in the description as well. But I know in past video I said we want to go away with wood, but compared to this black trim, just adding a little bit of oak wood will be a nice touch. And also this will charge your phone a lot quicker than your previous version of aftermarket accessory or phone charger. So anyone who owns a Model 3 2017 to 2019, you don't have wireless charging unless you purchase one of these. And same thing with the Model Y. 2020, they didn't upgrade it until 2021 or end of 2020. So we're gonna go ahead and install this. But first, we're gonna take out the old ones. So to take out the old one is fairly easy. You just slide this part off. I need to take this trim off so it's matte black and so it matches everything else. And then this is just a pad that is held on by adhesive. So with this old-fashioned aftermarket phone charger, or wireless phone charger, you do take off 2 USB slots. So we're going to toss this away. And the instruction is pretty straightforward. You open both center console doors, just like we did, the top and the bottom. And you take that original pad, you slide it to the left, which we did. It's on the ground there. And now you plug in the USB-C to USB. It does have 2 ports as well in the back. So there you go. And they do have USB-C to USB. They also have USB-C to USB-C in case if you have the newer center console, or at least the version where they switch between USB and then they also have USB-C on the right. And just look at the details. Instead of those twisty metal wire rods, look how they wrap up these cords. Very nice. The packaging on this is superb compared to any other aftermarket accessories for phone charging. What you want to do is plug in the USB-C into this wireless phone charger. So this requires 2 slots. And we'll share JOWUA additional port in the back with the light in a second. So we'll install this first. You can just tell from the detail. Look at this USB-C. It has JOWUA logo embedded on it, not just some generic. It's very customized and it's affordable. So check them out in the description of this video. So what you do is you rest this on top. Okay, and this is where you put your micro SD card. This is for your autopilot camera as well as your Sentry mode. So your dash cam and your Sentry mode can be recorded here without having to worry about losing a USB slot. However, we do have a solution to that if you still want to use a separate USB for recording of your Sentry mode and dash cam. So JOWUA actually has a solution to that. They actually have a USB hub with LED light. As you know, it's pretty dim in here. Although Tesla do provide one LED light, it's not bright enough to light up this dark cabin. So we'll go ahead and install this too, along with this wireless phone charger. So let me just show you the packaging. It's like Apple product. It reminds me of Apple product actually. And the presentation after you lift this up, it's just amazing. So that's real wood. Now you actually have another micro SD if you want to record your dash cam and your Sentry mode there. But now you have 3 USB slots as well as a USB-C. Okay, so that will go right into that 2 USB slot right there. And let's see what's in this package. All right. And for this USB hub, it has a light. You just slide it through with the USB. Huge difference. Now you have multiple USB you can plug into, plus a light, and it's automatically turn off when you close it. And you can turn this on auto or off, or on completely, and have it on all the time until your car turns off. If you leave it auto, it senses motion and it will turn on when you reach in, or you can have it on all the time when you're driving, and then it will turn off once the car turns off. And here's the aftermath. And once you plug in the micro SD, you want to format, go to controls, safety and security, format USB, format, and now it's working just with the micro SD. So now nobody will notice where it's being recorded, versus if you have it stick in there, it's gonna be obvious. They can just pull that out, take it, and destroy it. Okay, the hub also has a micro SD there too that you can use. So you can use either this phone wireless charger, or you can use the hub. And again, it has a sensor. The light turn on each time there's movement in this compartment. Or you can have it on all the time until the car turns off. Or you can have it off completely. Boy, huge difference. Compare that to this. And JOWUA also provide you with these Airpods 2 phone charger holder. So you just place it on here, and you can place your AirPod 2 in the slot, and it will be able to charge your AirPod without fiddling it around. So that's nice that they give this as an extra item.